Alright, welcome back. The next thing is for us to see how the students will be able to see this application and interact with it. So the moment the student logs in like this, it goes into his dashboard. Then he can as well go to courses. Then he's going to select any course he wants to attend. Then he would have been programmed for the courses as well. Then he can now go ahead. Let's say he wants to read the definition or the introduction to MIS, anyone he wants to attend. The other one, as we showed at the lecturer's dashboard the other time. So now the students will, for there are other options for anybody that is probably visually impaired, that probably the lecturer did not record audio. He can as well listen to the text directly on the application by using a text-to-speech application. So if I like the text like this, and then you're going to click on this text-to-speech. So once you click on this, it's going to bring out options. How do you want to listen? You can use any of these listeners, maybe David, Microsoft, or Zira. Zira is a lady, or any of these other ones. So let's say I'm using David, for instance. If you click on this, David English
What are management
US,
theories?
then you'll be able to
theories are a collection of ideas that recommend general rules for how to manage an organization or business.
Text
They address how supervisors implement strategies to accomplish organizational goals and how they motivate
like this. Now
employees to
I'm listening to it
ability.
and I can hear the text message with text to speech. There are other things we can do with this application. You can as well zoom the text or reduce the zoom and all that for those who have a problem with reading text that is tiny or something. So that is also available for them. Then another one that we are talking about, let's look at the exam now. That's for reading text. Maybe if you want to attempt an exam, then once you click on the exam, you can start it. It's going to tell you some other things. There are other securities which you can do to this. Now this one, we have the text that's asking us what is management information. So this is the essay auto grade. So if it is a student that even cannot hear but he can see and type things, he will just answer his exam by typing the answer here. But if it is someone that needs to record with an audio, then he can press a key on his keyboard, say Windows H. This application will come out. Look at it, it's initializing it. So he said listener. So I will start typing, say management information system is a system that provides manager with necessary information to make decisions about organizations. Once we are done with this, the application will type that. Okay, I think is, let me clear that and start again. I hope times permit. Okay. Okay, so let me start again. Now, management information system is a system that provides necessary information for managers to make decisions. Full stop. You can see that once I'm done with that, I close the application and it has typed whatever I want to type. Then I'll click on next. To answer the second question is to record an audio. So once you are done with the exam, then you select finish exam. It has been recorded like that. So like that, the lecturer will be able to see the answer. The whole system has already auto graded the application, an audio recording, then the user can just record an audio by click on start recording, and then you have to allow microphone on the system. Then the system will record his voice. Once he is done, stop recording, and then you finish attempt. Alright, so now once he is done with that, you can now continue with, he's done with the part of the student like that. Then the lecturer can now come back here. The lecturer will be able to see who has answered to the questions. If it is assignment, he will see files they have uploaded. So if you click on a particular course like that, then you can go to, let me look at assignment for instance. If you go to assignment, then you'll be able to see people who has attempted the assignment. You can see here, this one is just showing us number of participants and all that. So you can view all submissions so that you can see who has answered, and then you can now grade them accordingly, because you can see it says no submission because there is no student that has answered the assignment. But let us go to the exam. For the exam, if you go to the exam, you go to results. You can see it's showing you that someone has already attempted it. Then you will see the list of the students and those who have attempted it. You can see this person has attended the exam, and then you can review the attempts by clicking on review attempt. So with this, you will see what and what has happened. You see what has happened. You see this one says answer has been saved, and then you'll be able to check for anyone. Okay, so let me go to the result here. This is for the quiz. The result, what is he showing to us? Okay, so here I can see that the student has not submitted his question. So let's click on submit and finish. So now, yes, submit and finish. So now it has been submitted. Then the lecturer can now access the exam by coming here. So he would go to results. Under results, then you'll be able to see, you can see formerly it was not showing all these marks, the time taken to complete, when it was completed and all that. Now it has shown that. And then so after that, you can see the statistics of what is going on there. Then we may now decide on the mark, for those questions. This is the student that has finished the exam. So we click on review attempt. So here you can see that those things that we specified the other time, I don't think none of them exactly matched the condition. That is why the system did not give the person any mark. Otherwise we would have seen it to be like partially graded. Then the lecturer can now say, okay, well, I want to mark and override whatever mark you have given. So let's say for this particular question, this is question 2 for recording. Let me go to that question 1 first, please. That question 1, this is question 2. This is question 1, this one, that it says it is 0%. It has not given, so you click on this mark or overwrite mark. So the system has given the person 0 out of 5. So then you can now say, okay, well, this person tried, I'm giving him 3. Then you save. That is how a lecturer will mark questions. Assuming it is that of ABC, the system will automatically mark everything and show the grade. So this one too, I say okay, I want to grade this as well. Say okay, I'm giving the person, you can grade and also make comments, giving him 2 here, and save that. You can save it. Once you save that, then you close. So you can see that it has already been graded now. The grade is what? 62.5% out of 10 once the lecturer has graded it. And then results can be exported. You can export results of all the grades. You can see here, show report. Show report will show you the result of everyone, so that in case after grading all the students, you now want to export it. So this is it. We only have one student that has attended this quiz. That's why it's showing it and showing the grade and each mark under each question. So here you can export as a CSV, an Excel, or PDF. So we're portable document format. So you can just export the result, and probably for further submission or for further processing. So that is all for now. Thank you.